Deep within a region of space untouched by stars, hidden inside a vast gravitational anomaly, lies a structure that should not exist. It cannot be detected by conventional instruments. It emits no light, no radiation, no signal. And yet, it is there, a secret facility built by an advanced alien civilization. This is not a factory of ordinary machines. This is where time itself is engineered. Welcome inside a hidden alien complex where engineers are constructing time machines, devices capable of moving not just through space, but across the fabric of time itself. The process begins with something no human civilization has ever harnessed: temporal energy. Unlike conventional energy sources, temporal energy is drawn from fluctuations within space-time itself. Surrounding the facility are massive extraction arrays positioned along unstable gravitational boundaries. These arrays tap into micro-distortions, tiny fractures in time caused by cosmic events like black holes and collapsing stars. Alien engineers monitor streams of data as the arrays capture and stabilize these fluctuations. What they extract is not just energy. It is time condensed into a usable form. The energy appears as shimmering currents, flowing like liquid light through containment conduits and into the core of the facility. Once collected, temporal energy is directed into the chronosynthesis chambers. Here, alien engineers combine exotic matter with temporal particles to create materials that can exist outside normal time flow. These materials do not behave like anything known to human physics. They do not decay. They do not age. They exist in multiple states simultaneously. Using atomic manipulation fields, engineers construct chronoalloys, substances capable of withstanding the immense stress of time displacement. These alloys will form the structural body of the time machines. Floating within the chambers, fragments of these materials flicker between past and future states, stabilizing only when fully formed. In the structural assembly zone, the body of the time machine begins to take shape. Unlike spacecraft, these machines are not designed for aerodynamics or space travel. Their geometry is complex, curved, layered, and nonlinear. Some sections appear to overlap themselves, existing in slightly different moments at once. Robotic systems and alien workers collaborate to assemble the frame using quantum bonding techniques. Each component is aligned not just in space, but in time. If even a fraction of misalignment occurs, the machine could fracture across multiple timelines. Precision is absolute. As the frame completes, it emits a faint distortion, a ripple in reality. It's at the heart of every time machine lies its most critical component, the chrono engine. This device is responsible for bending and navigating the flow of time. Contained within a heavily shielded chamber, the engine appears as a rotating sphere surrounded by rings of shifting energy. Inside it, temporal energy circulates in controlled loops, creating a stable time field. Alien engineers carefully transport the engine using anti-time containment units, fields that isolate it from the normal flow of time. Once placed inside the machine, the engine begins to synchronize with the frame. The air around it distorts. Light bends. Time itself begins to fluctuate. A time machine is useless without control. Inside the Navigation Matrix laboratory, alien engineers install systems that allow precise movement through time. Unlike human navigation, which relies on coordinates in space, this system maps timelines. Massive holographic displays show branching paths of reality, countless possible timelines, each representing different outcomes and histories. Engineers integrate quantum processors that can calculate temporal coordinates with unimaginable precision. These systems allow the machine to target specific points in time, not just when but which version of reality. Because in this facility, time is not a single line. It is a network. Time travel presents a dangerous problem: paradoxes. To prevent catastrophic disruptions, each machine is equipped with a paradox stabilization system. This system monitors changes to the timeline and compensates for them in real time. If a traveler alters an event that could create instability, the system automatically adjusts surrounding variables to maintain continuity. Alien engineers test these systems by simulating timeline disruptions. Events are changed. Histories are rewritten. And yet, reality remains stable. This is not just time travel. This is time control. To assist in navigating such complexity, each machine is equipped with an advanced AI. This is not a standard artificial intelligence. It is a temporal intelligence, an entity capable of perceiving multiple timelines simultaneously. The AI is integrated into the machine as a living network of data cores suspended in energy fields. It communicates directly with the operator, guiding them through time safely. It predicts outcomes, avoids dangerous timelines, and ensures that the mission does not result in unintended consequences. The AI does not just process time, it understands it. Before activation, every time machine undergoes testing inside the temporal simulation chamber. This chamber recreates different points in time, allowing engineers to observe how the machine interacts with reality. The machine is activated in controlled conditions. Moments flicker, time shifts, objects age and reverse within seconds. Engineers analyze the results carefully. If any instability is detected, adjustments are made. Because even the smallest error could result in permanent damage, not just to the machine, but to the timeline itself. At last, the machine is complete. Inside the activation chamber, the time machine rests at the center of a vast circular platform. Energy conduits connect to its core, feeding it stabilized temporal energy. Alien engineers take their positions. The countdown begins. As the chrono engine powers up, the surrounding space begins to warp. Light bends inward, and a shimmering field forms around the machine. Time slows, then fractures. A gateway opens, not a portal through space, but through time. Inside it, glimpses of different eras appear. Ancient worlds, distant futures, events yet to happen. The machine lifts slowly. Then, it disappears. Not into space, but into time itself.